So, in the first slide, it shows our title, which is Creating a New Pizza Hut Website. It prepared by Just Licious Group. Next slide is about our introduction. It is about history of Pizza Hut company and introductions for our group members. Next slide, history of Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is one of the largest pizza company in the world, as they have more than 16,796 restaurants worldwide in 2018. Actually, Pizza Hut has a unique history, as Fred and Dan Carney opening the business by borrowing their mother's money. When their mother gave $300 to them, they finally opened up the Pizza Hut with a business partner, John Bender. The Pizza Hut opened its doors starting on 1958 in Wichita, Kansas. A year later, which is in 1959, Pizza Hut's second franchise had been opening in Topeka, Kansas. Alright, for the next slide, it is for our group members and rule. We start with our leader, which is Muhammad Shafiq bin Mahazir, and he is also the website developer. Next is myself, Norafika binti Hafiz Nawawi, the editor and also the presenter for Just Licious Group. The third one is Nikon Anak Lelaki the editor and preparations for the video presentation. Next, Ashwini Suraze. She is the content specialist and generate a new idea about the suitable content. Next, Ganjia Chi. She is the UI, which is user interface, and she will make sure that the website always keep interface simple and clear and invisible. And last but not least is Nur Syuhada binti Suhardi. She is the user experience, and her responsibility is to put and arrange the button, link and website interaction easy for the users. And for the slide number 5, we will start to talk about the task 1, which is Pizza Hut evolution. Move to the next slide, we can see that 2013 Pizza Hut website. In this website, it shows some outdated design with the uninteresting color has been used. Next, the content shows in the website is more to the company history from their first starting point, and it is difficult to access and not user-friendly with just a simple theme. Move to the next slide. For the Pizza Hut website 2016, it not shows much of evolution in terms of design. The company is not doing much of updated on their website, and they just change their logo design to make it look more modern. And for the website 2020, we can see that customer can make the order from their menu by online, and the dishes will be delivered to them within half an hour. It is an improvement in terms of the design and theme used. It also increases the usability of the website positively by users. In the next slide, we will show you for the task 2, which is the differences between the original website and the new website. First, we will see the differences based on user interface UI. In the main page, we can see that UI changed the design with title picture box. UI emphasized the pictures to attract more users to see it, and UI also rounded rectangle for sign up function, and overall our main pages is like the original. Next, for a book a table page, UI had replaced the rectangle shape to rounded rectangular callout. This is because callout box and icon can let the page more attractive when visitors visit the website. Next, UI also put a group of people that represent a family for booking number of people. This also can let the users easier to understand the section. And finally, UI focus the image more than words because it want to let the website more simply. Menu page. UI divide menu into two rows, so the menu can become bigger and easier to see. Below the menu, UI also put a big rectangle box for promote some important advertisement, photos or video. UI also put some small rounded rectangular shape for a small advertisement, so people will attract to see what in it. And next is the takeaway pages. In this page, UI just put the icon of magnifying glass to let users understand and click for search the location. So the icon will show the people on how to look for the others. And UI also put a big rectangle box and 3 small rounded rectangular box for advertisement. Right, next we will move to the special offer page. In this page, you are change the rectangle box to flowchart like a document because most people nowadays using this shape, and this will attract users' eyes to see what is it. And UI also only put the offer advertisement because UI want to emphasize the offer that Pizza Hut have. Next, it's a page for kids and families. In this page, you are reduce the image because too much image will make the website look like messy and people will not go through what in the website. Next, UI put an icon celebration to show that this page of website is for party. And finally, UI put 4 rounded rectangular box for put some party promotion. And for the last page, you are just change the column. Use my current location to the right to make it simple. Because when the website is simple, visitor will always attract to a simple website. In the next slide, we will present to you the differences based on user experience UX. First of all, we can see the icon differences. The UX use the different color for social media icon. For example, YouTube is in red application, so UX put the red for the social media icon. This is because UX want to attract people's eyes. Next, we change the logo. For the first picture, we can see that US just use the different logo to make it look attractive because the old logo does not attract the people. And the second one, original website just use the number of people and using many words, so US change it to the picture of plate to show the table viewers want to book. So this make the people and visitor easier to use the website. Alright, in the next slide, we will show you the differences in the offer pages. So, we can refer to the slide. It shows that the original website show the offer that they have. However, for our group website, US just use the simple one which is there. It's just a little exchange for that website. Easier, simple, will attract the visitors. Next slide, we will discuss the differences based on content specialists. For the main page, we can see that content specialist has agreed that the initial design and content is very much suitable and does not need for the mass revision. This is because the content available is simple and very much important. So, our content specialist did not change the content in the main pages. In the next slide, it is about the book a table page. We can see in the slide that content specialist has decided to make it easier thanks to the more sophisticated design. So it is a way more faster that save time to book a table has been created as shown in illustration. Next is the menu pages. our content specialists using more creative and interesting terms to use on the menu to pull the attractions of customer. And it's easy. Different terms has been used on the food menu. For the next slide, it is the takeaway pages. We can see that our content specialist only changed how to order by adding more interesting terms in a way of marketing and advertising. And also, our content specialist has also made other options. For example, a dine-in instead options as another way to attract customers to visit the outlets. For the offer page, we can see that our content specialists add better content which help to make the website more approachable. We also can see that our content specialists also use own term content wise by making more bundles, deals and offers. And finally, our content specialist add some image with better quality with a better description, because a better description will attract the visitors to read more and order. And the next slide is for the page that's offer for the kids and family. In these pages, content specialists has changed the content, and in the content has made decision to make it more simple yet understandable for visitor. Simple but easy to read. And our content specialist also added enough information required by adding more text. More text will attract people to read what inside it. And in the last pages, our content specialists have made some easier changes to the website by adding more marketing content. This is because by adding more marketing content, it will give more access to the outlet itself and the business Pizza Hut. So, we move to the next slide. In this slide, we shows you the coding or input that we use to create our website. And here is a several coding that we use in our website. So, in the next slide and our last slide, we shows you our web page. So this is our web page and also our output. Enjoy it, and also we share you the link to the web page.